Hi, I'm Starla from lifefulandfrugal.com. Today we're going to talk about old-fashioned lacto-fermented dill pickles. Is your garden absolutely full of cucumbers and you've got tons of dill and you don't want to throw them out and you don't know what to do with it all? This is a wonderful recipe because it doesn't require canning. You're just going to make a brine which will lacto-ferment them, and then you'll have all these wonderful health benefits that come from lacto-fermentation, like enzymes and all kinds of vitamins that'll be readily available to you, and you don't have to heat up your kitchen. It's a real blessing. So I think you will enjoy this recipe. Well, we hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And please look in the description box below for some helpful links. Leave us some questions or comments below. And we just hope that you enjoyed this and that you will take a chance on making some lacto-fermented dill pickles. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.